How are
How are
you?
you?
I'm,
I'm fine.
you're from Bangladesh, Faisal?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, are you gamer?
No, I'm a student.
Oh, I think your earphone like a gamer's earphone.
No, I
Bang mananya?
use laptop, so I wear it.
Oh, what your favorite subject school?
My favorite subject mathematics.
Oh, genius people.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am high school. High
Uh,
school. Two grade.
uh, mm,
Uh, and right now, what are you doing? Please, jangan dong hilang.
so good. You are Yana, right? From
Yes.
Indonesia.
In Indonesian accent, you can call me Anna.
Oh, that's great. That's great. And which class you were in?
Please repeat again.
Which class you were in? Or what is your major subject?
Um, in Indonesian, we have our method studying is with 10, 10 subject, and maybe uh, we will improve our sorry, my English is not very good.
Got you. And older.
How my old?
Yeah.
I am I'm 17. 17 years
Oh,
old. How about you?
that's pretty good. And I am 20 years.
Within 20 years, maybe you're uh,
And you guys know that I'm from USA, United States of America.
I don't have some friend, but I will have a friend. But it's so apa sulit dalam bahasa Inggris? It's so hard to have friend from other country.
Would you mind to ask
Yes.
for
Apa kata? I'm so
my
sorry. I don't
That's great. That's great. By the way, English is also very good. And I think English regularly, right?
Dokter. Ya.
Miss Anna, I think right?
Apa sih? Oh, bingung tek lo. Wait. My friend make me laugh. um,
Uh,
how are you?
I'm good. And about you?
I'm good too. What's your name?
My name is Shakwa.
What? Please.
Shakwa.
Where are you from?
Sheikh. My name is Sheikh.
Here. Sorry. I'm, what are you doing? What are you doing? Ya.
Today.
And you're alone?
You are married.
No,
You are
I'm a student, bro. Sama, hah? Jarum. Aku punya ilham. Please speak more.